Hello students, we are going to see about the K-map for 5 variables. So we know how to do a 4 variable K-mapping. So 4 variable K-mapping is now projected in 3-dimensional format as shown in the figure. So we consider a 4 variable K-map projected in a 3D format. And whatever shaded I have given you, it is called as the coincident cells. So this particular cell will match the same number of this cell. Only the difference we are going to make it is like, let me take it as a 5 variable A, B, C, D, E. So B, C, D, E. So it means 4 variable is already there in this mapping. One variable A is going to differentiate between A bar and A. So A bar means 0, sorry, here it is written A bar is 0, A bar is 0, A is 1. Okay, A is 1. This is 1 and this is 0. So how to do this 5 variable mapping? So let us take an example now. F is equal to A, B, C, D, E, 5 variable. Therefore, 2 power 5, 32 boxes will be obtained. And you're going to make the combination starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. For first 16 condition, A will be 0. That is from 17 to 32 conditions, it will be 1. So this is how you are going to differentiate one 4 variable map with A bar and one 4 variable map with A1. So let me take now 4 variable mapping, one more 4 variable mapping. Differentiated is A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1. So all other things will remain the same thing. You do the mapping now 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15. Now come over here, it will be 16, 16, 17, 19, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So all 32 variables can be mapped. Now I've taken a problem. 0 sigma min term. So it is a SOP method. You are going to mark wherever you have these numbers, you mark it as 1. All others will be 0. So 0 and 2 are 1. 0 is 1, 2 is 1, 4 is 1, 6 is 1. Then 9, 11, 13, 15 are 1. Similarly come 17 onwards, second box starts. So 17, 1, 21, 1, 25, 1, 29, 1, 27, 1, 31, 1. So you have mapped. After mapping, now you need to combine your adjacent cells. So these two, you know, on the edges it's remaining, which means that you can do the flipping. You can fold it. So you fold this, this will become one chord. This is one chord. This mapping is over. Now come to this part. You can have one chord in full column and one chord over here. So this chord, this 4 ones and this 4 ones are lying in the same constituent cells. So you can combine these two chords to make one octet. Okay. So you should have one chord in terms of column wise. Two chords are combined together to form one octet. So you will have 3 equations totally. So write down this equation. You are folding. So folding, what is the common here? B bar, B bar. Okay, so B is common here, B bar is common. What is the term here? It is D bar, E bar. So write down the term A, B bar. So you will have here, it is in the function of A bar. Then you will have the function of your D bar, E bar. Okay, similarly come over here, this term, it is A. And what is the term? D bar E. So A, D bar E. Okay. Now you combine these two chords. When you combine these two chords, what is the common term? B is common term. B is common term. And what is the common term? E. E is a common term. A is different. A bar and A. So leave that combination. Therefore B into E. B into E. Okay. B into E. So when you come over here, it is A bar, common is B bar, and the another common is E bar. Another common is E bar. A bar, B bar, E bar. This is for this chord. So totally 3 equations are written. This is how we do a 5 variable mapping. We'll look into one more problem. So f is equal to, again, these are the minterms given. Now do the same 4 variable mapping, 0 to 15. From 16 onwards, the next to 31, you will have this mapping. So we'll start with a bar 0, a is equal to 1. So now we map 0, 5, 0, 5. Next is 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you're mapped into it. Now coming to your next 16, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 31. Now you see how you can club the number of ones. This is one chord, this is one chord. So these two chords on this row are combined together to form one octet. You have 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 ones. So this edges can be combined together. Okay. Next, this is forming one equation. Only these two ones. These two ones doesn't have any combination, therefore they are taken it as separate. Okay, now we will write down the equations. Let us take this equation. So what is the common? D bar, E bar is common here. Similarly, here also D bar, E bar is common. D bar, E bar is common. A is different. The common term here in this row is C bar. Therefore, the first equation is C bar, D bar, E bar. Now come for this octet. The common term is B C bar. Common term is BC bar. Okay. So the answer is BC bar. Okay. Now coming to the single equations. We'll close the single equation. Single equations, you have to write all the combinations now. A bar, D bar, E, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C, D, E bar. Next combination. A bar, B bar, C, D, E bar. That is the next combination. Next, what is the leftover thing? These two. This one, 2 is combined. So 2 in the sense which is common. B bar is common. D bar is common. E bar is common. A is common. Okay, therefore A, B bar, D bar, E bar. This equation also is done. Now you come for this chord. This chord, what is common? B is common, A is common, E is common. A, B, E. That's how you write. So first in your 5 variable mapping, always make sure you have 2 4 variables to be joined together with the differentiation of A bar and A, 5th variable. Okay, once you have marked all your minterms into it, make sure you need to combine the cells. Find out what is the common chord you can obtain or common 2 values you can obtain. Then find out whether this particular constituent can match with the next constituent. If both the constituents are matching with the same rows or same columns, you combine that particular thing either to form a chord or an octet. Accordingly, you can when you move from 2 combination to a 4 combination, a gate can be reduced. When you move from a 4 chord combination to an octet combination, again one more gate can be reduced. So that's how we try to combine to its maximum condition of number of ones and reduce the number of gates in the final expression. Thank you.